guys, welcome back to another face cream episode. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to make a brightening face cream that can help even out your face and also fade dark spots. So here is my recipe. So the first ingredient I have is shea butter. Shea butter is non-comedogenic and also it helps to repair the face. Now the next ingredient I am adding in is my silky emulsifying wax. I will be putting every single ingredient and measurement on the screen. I added in also my cetyl alcohol, which is also a co-emulsifier. Then lastly, I added in my stearic acid, and this is my oil face. Now for those that will be asking what kind of oil I used my argan oil, as it is super lightweight and also it helps to moisturize the skin. So I set that aside, and now we are going to be preparing our water face. So here I have my distilled water, which is also going to serve as a solvent for other actives we will be using in this face cream. So I'm going to be going in with my chelating agent. So equally, I will be going in also with my allantoin powder. It is a soothing powder as it helps to soothe and calm the face. Allantoin powder can be a little bit difficult to dissolve, which is why we added it to our water face so we can dissolve it properly using double boiler method. Now I want you to thoroughly watch this video and see how I add my actives step by step so they can work effectively well in my face cream. Now this is my water face and we are going to be moving on to the next phase. Now for this last phase, we will be needing xanthan gum, which is a thickener and also a stabilizer. In my xanthan gum, I will be adding glycerin, which is a humectant. Now that we have our three faces, we will be taking them for double boiling. Make sure to watch to the end so you can see how I properly add my actives inside my face cream. So while we wait and double boil our three faces, let me tell you all about this face cream and why I actually named it the brightening even tone face cream. So I have a particular client who suffered from uneven face. She had a rough face when she reached out to me, and also she's an oily prone skin person. She is equally dark skinned and she told me she doesn't want anything that is going to tamper with her skin color. I made this face cream for her, and in less than 4 weeks she came back to thank me. Her face became even and more brighter. It controlled her excess oil production and also reduced her acne breakout. So if you found yourself struggling with the same skin issue my client suffered from, please feel free to make this face cream for yourself as it is very potent. Equally, I want you to exercise lots of patience and be consistent as well, as this is not a fast action face cream. If you watched to this point, have you clicked the subscribe button yet? Equally, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, like, comment if you have any questions for me equally in the comment section. Giving out a standard face cream recipe like this is not easy. So back to our face cream, I am using my stick blender to actually mix my face cream so I can get a thick consistency. Now we have gotten to the part where I want you all to pay detailed attention. So I measured out my active powders, which are niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, licorice and nag. I will be using a solvent called propylene glycol to dissolve my active powders together. Now before you start adding in your active powders into your face cream, please make sure that your face cream has completely cooled down to room temperature before you start adding in your actives, as we do not want to reduce the potency of our active powders. Now please make sure that you buy your active powders from trusted suppliers, as ineffective powders will give ineffective results. So I combined all my active powders and I added them inside propylene glycol. So properly mix your propylene glycol and your active powders together and then add it inside your face cream. As you all can see, I am gently mixing my propylene glycol and my active powders together, giving them enough time so they can fully mix inside my propylene glycol. So when making yours too, please give your active powders enough time to completely dissolve inside your propylene glycol, as this is the only way your active powders can work effectively well in your face cream. So now that my powders are fully dissolved in my propylene glycol, I will be adding it inside my face cream. Now, aside the fact that propylene glycol is used to dissolve our active powders, our propylene glycol used in this face cream also serves as our penetration enhancer, which means it is going to allow our actives that we have used penetrate into the face very well. Now, I gently mix again with my spatula before going in with the cool down face ingredient, which is my D-panthenol, my preservative and my vitamin E oil. D-panthenol added inside this face cream is to help moisturize the skin. If you are not using this golden ingredient in your face cream in 2026, I do not know exactly what you are still trying to made. Now I scooped out some little amount of my face cream and I added it to my deep and thickener, vitamin E oil and preservative mixture, so all can fully mix well inside my face cream. This method works well for me all the time, most especially when I'm working with deep and thickener, as it can be a little bit difficult to add directly inside the face cream because of its thick consistency. So after I mix all together, I proceed by adding it back inside my face cream and I give it one last mix. Now look at the beautiful consistency of our face cream. It is creamy, it is lightweight, it is not sticky. Now after I added it into a container, this is exactly what it looks like. So creamy, so beautiful. No matter the number of times I try to make it follow, it doesn't come out of the jar. Now this is exactly what your face cream should look like. Now if you want to know more about how to make your own face cream from scratch like this, please feel free to enroll for our base cream formulation course, where you get standard face cream recipes like this and more. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this face cream recipe. Trust me, this is a face cream you're going to fall in love with over and over and over again. I go by the name Triple A. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp to buy already made finished products like this or to enroll for my skincare formulation class. To my amazing 1,600 subscribers, you all are amazing. To every returning subscribers, I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching my videos. I am going to see you all in my next one. I love you all and bye for now.